Hey guys, how you guys doing? I really want to say welcome back to my channel, but I feel like I should be welcoming myself back to the channel as well, since I haven't posted anything in a very long time. So I guess it's welcome us back to the channel. And I really want to say thank you to everybody that has been subscribing to the channel, liking my videos, commenting and everything. I really appreciate you guys and love you for it. If you've been subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so right now. Turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on my future videos. And by the end of this video, if you like it and if you feel like it was helpful to you, go ahead and give it a massive thumbs up. Leave me a comment on the comment section down below and share this video with everybody that you think might be interested in watching this kind of content. The last time I uploaded something on YouTube, I was doing a couple of DIYs and I have a few updates on that. If you watched my video where I was painting my kitchen cabinet doors, you would have noticed that I also spray painted the hardware, and as you can see, things are not looking good. So if you were thinking of doing something like that, I would advise you against it. I wouldn't advise you to spray paint something that you're going to be using every single day of your life. It's not a good idea. It has not aged well for me. The paint is coming out, it looks horrible. Even the gold doesn't look too good, guys. It doesn't look too good. The other thing that I want to update you on is my cabinet doors. I'm still happy with them, but I have a slight problem and I don't know what to do. The paint has been holding on quite well. It's been good. Everything has been fine, but you would have noticed that when I was painting my cabinet doors, the doors had cracks and I tried to fill them with wood filler. But I'm noticing now that the cracks that I was trying to fill didn't get really filled. So I really don't know what to do. I don't know if I should sand the doors. It's only 2 doors that have the cracks out of all the doors, because the other doors didn't have any cracks. But it's only 2 doors. I think this is I think this happens a lot on oak cabinets. So now I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just get new doors for the kitchen, but I'm just not sure if I want to spend money on getting new doors, or should I just sand these doors and repaint them. It's only 2 doors that have cracks. So those are the few updates that I have, just for people who watched my previous videos on my DIYs. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
But for this video, guys, we have finally decided to completely renovate our small bathroom. It's not going to be DIY, because this is going to be, even though we have a very small bathroom, it's going to be a big project and I cannot do it on my own. So it won't be DIY, but I will be taking you guys along through every single step, and I'm so excited for that, because our bathroom is so dated. But right now though, I am going to Chamberlain's, Leroy Merlin, maybe Builders, and CTM as well, to just kind of make the final decision on the materials we're going to use before these guys come and start with this project. 3, I think, since I started this video. I don't even know where this vlog is because I'm just sort of all over the place. But I just wanted to sit down and give you guys a quick update. We have managed to find about 85% of the materials that we'll be using. So, and the guys have already started this, actually started yesterday, and I made a big mistake of not taking a before video. I completely forgot. I've been all over the place, but I'm trying to find a picture that I uploaded on the Kandwa website when I was looking for the guys to renovate. I don't know if I'll find it. I hope I do, because that's the only thing I have to show you guys the before. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to show you the bathroom right now. They have completely removed everything, the old shower, the bathtub, and the tiles. Today they're coming to put in the tiles. I hope I find the before picture so that I can just show you, but let me show you how the bathroom looks like right now. So this is what the bathroom looks like right now. As you can see, they have removed everything. They just left the toilet for us because we had to use the toilet last night, but they're going to remove it today. So basically the shower was here, and it was a wall shower. The wall was right here. They're going to put the shower right here, the new shower right here as well. The bathtub was right here. The new bathtub is still going to sit right here, and the toilet is just going to move a little bit further next to the wall, and then we'll see if we can put in the vanity. Of course, this is the only space that will be left, so we'll have to put the vanity here and the mirror. But basically, this is what the bathroom looks like right now. I think they're really doing a really good job. I'm impressed with just how they removed the tiles and how they are working. I think they are very, very clean and neat. But as you can see, look at the ceiling. You can kind of tell by just looking at the ceiling how dated this bathroom was. Okay guys, so it's been weeks and weeks since this bathroom has been done. A lot has been happening on my part, so I've been struggling to finish this video, but the good news is we are here now and I'm about to show you everything. I am so obsessed with this bathroom. I'm so happy with how it turned out, so happy with the work that has been done here, so happy with the guys that did this work. They have brought my vision to life and I am so grateful. Starting with the shower, we decided to go with this normal L-shaped shower. I don't know if it's called a PVC door shower. I looked it up, I forgot, but we got this shower at CTM. Majority of the materials that we used in here, I would say about 85% of what we used in here is from CTM. At first, we really wanted a walk-in shower, but we have a relatively small bathroom, so we couldn't get away with the walk-in shower. I think we could have, but it would have been annoying just getting in the shower and getting out of the shower every day if it was walk-in, because there's not much space between the shower and the bathtub. But we decided to go with this L-shaped normal shower, and we are so happy with it. Coming into the shower, inside the shower, we have this shower head that we also got at CTM, and we have the shower mixer. I got the shower mixer at Chamberlain's. One thing I would say about gold finishes, it's so difficult to find everything in one store. It's so difficult to find gold finishes, and I wish it was easy, but it's not. So I had to run around looking for everything, but I ended up finding this shower mixer at Chamberlain's, and I'm so glad that it matches with the shower head. I wanted to go for a modern but classic look at the same time. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I think I managed to achieve exactly that. When it comes to this soap holder right here, I don't know if it's called a soap holder or a shower gel holder or whatever, this thing right here, I also got this one at CTM. Originally I wanted the one that is sort of like built in, but they couldn't do that because our wall right here is a single brick wall, so it would have been just a hole. So I decided to go for this one, and I'm happy with it. I also got this one at CTM. Well, my boyfriend chose the black mosaic, but I was a bit skeptical because I sort of like wanted to go for white. I thought that was just going to work out, but now looking at this black, I don't think it would have worked out as much as this black works out. I love how it turned out. Coming to the tiles, we also got these tiles at CTM. I am so in love with these tiles. They are so luxurious. The look is so good. Originally I wanted the tiles that I saw at Leroy Merlin, but when I got there they were sold out, and I had to roam around, like literally walk around looking for marble tiles that were affordable but still look luxurious, and we managed to get these ones at CTM, and I am so in love with these tiles. To my favorite part in this entire bathroom, the bathtub. I am so in love with this corner right here. Originally we didn't want this one. It sounds like I will say that a lot, like we didn't want this one. Originally we wanted this other one, but we didn't want this one because we thought it's too deep. So we went for another one, but unfortunately that one didn't have legs. I didn't even know that some freestanding bathtubs have legs. I will show you a picture of what I'm talking about. But we had to return that one and get this one and settle for this one. But I'm so in love with it right now. We got this one at Builders Warehouse. We got the first one at Builders Warehouse as well, but we had to return that one and settle for this one. I think the first one would have blended in perfectly as well, but I'm so in love with this one as well. If you check here, the bath mixer, the reason why it's cut a bit is because it was originally designed for the first bathtub we got, because by the time they delivered the bathtub, the guys had already done the plumbing, they had already measured everything with the original bathtub. So that's why it's cutting here a bit. That's why I say this, but I'm not too crazy about it. That's fine. We got this bath mixer at CTM, and we also got this spout at CTM as well. So this is just something to keep in mind if you are looking into doing something like this and you have an apartment and your apartment is not on the ground, it's not ground floor. You'd rather choose a freestanding bathtub that has legs and is easy to install instead of one that doesn't have legs, because it requires them to dig a bit deep, and that would interfere with your neighbors. And coming to the mirror, I got this one at superbalance.com. When I got it, it was on sale. I got it, I think, for 1.5. It was original 2,000 rands, but I paid 1.5 for it because it was on sale. I wanted something very simple, and I think we managed to achieve that. I just wanted a simple mirror with black framing because I wanted the mirror to match the shower, and I think it also matches with the tiles. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. This vanity right here, I also got it at CTM. When I saw it, I just knew immediately that it is so perfect for this bathroom. The size is perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's perfect. I was so happy when I saw it because it brings that uniform look throughout the entire house. If you saw my video where I was renovating our kitchen, you would have noticed that we have wooden countertops. So the fact that this is the same kind of wood, it just brings that uniform look throughout the entire house, and I just knew immediately as soon as I saw it that it is the one. The basin spout, I got this one at Chamberlain's. When I say I literally had to run around looking for gold things and put them together, I mean that. Then we have our accessories. This is just a toothbrush holder. Got this one at CTM. It came like this, came with this thing as well, and that's it. And also this towel holder, we got this one at CTM as well. We also have the toilet brush holder
got this one as CTM as well. It was sort of like a set.
These blinds we got at a place called Panda Blinds in North Riding. This is another service provider that I'm really impressed with. I literally got there and told them that I'm looking for blinds, and they asked for measurements, and I gave them the measurements, and they asked me how soon do I need these blinds. They said I think they said they take about 7 days to make the blinds, but they said to me, you know, if you need them quicker, we can make that happen. And I was so impressed. After like 2 days, they were calling me and telling me that your blinds are ready for collection. And I was so impressed with the service and just how quick they were to make the blinds for me. And that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think on the comment section down below. Share this video with everybody that you think might be interested in watching this kind of content, and I will see you on my next one. I don't know what that one will be or when it will be, but I will see you then. So bye.